Non-oxide ceramic ink is a boron carbide ink. It's a high temperature ceramic. This ink is developed by dispersing boron carbide particles, about 3 to 5 micron particle size, suspended in water tailored for direct ink writing. Boron carbide has very high resistance to heat, and it has high hardness, the third hardest material. It has low density, it's lower density than aluminum. It has high wear resistance, high electrical and thermal conductivity. Another advantage for boron carbide ink is that we could make complex shapes. Traditionally, these ceramics are made by casting them into molds to form shapes. If we want to make complex shapes, these ceramics need to be machined, and it's often time-consuming and expensive if you can do it at all. The ink is available for commercialization. LLNL has partnered with MilliporeSigma to make small quantities of the inks available for researchers and companies. And if they benefit from these products, they can contact LLNL for licensing to make large quantities.